Dryer Vent Pros here in Summerville, South Carolina, in the Lakes of Summerville to do a dryer vent cleaning. And we're going to take an airflow measurement before we do the cleaning and one after. So you can see the difference in what your airflow is before and after you have a dryer vent clean. So the dryer's on right now. Wow, just the wind out here is 4 miles per hour. Let's see what the dryer gives us. A little under 6 miles per hour. 5.5, 6 miles per hour. So we're gonna check it again once we get done with the dryer vent cleaning. Finished with our dryer vent cleaning, and now we're gonna take a second airflow test. Let's see what we got. 10.5 miles per hour, which is a significant increase from what we had. So these clothes are gonna dry much faster now.